All right, CSS battle time for July 17th. That's interesting. Trying and failing to start the timer. There we go. All right. So we have this partial border thing going on. The partial border thing means I think we have to mask some of the border somehow. The question is how we mask that without masking. So if this were a normal thing, there's this box that's behind this one, but then this one has borders that cover the top of it. But if we mask the border, the mask has to not mask this thing. It only masks this part of the border. So how does that work? I don't know the answer to that. S-T-Y-L-E. That's how you spell style. So, I'm going to start by selecting the HTML and saying the background is the dark blue color. Okay, that's the easiest part of this. Now, I'm going to have the blue boxes, the lighter blue boxes. What are they going to be? So obviously the thing with white, whatever the thing with white is, has to be on top of this thing. Or this thing is just this shape. Alright, so I'm going to select the body. I'm going to say background is the lighter blue color. And then I'm going to margin it in. The top's going to be 60 maybe. Yeah. That side's going to be 150, 170. Bottom's going to be 120. That right side's going to be 100, 130. Okay, that's that box. Now, so what I'm thinking right now is that this box is actually a couple boxes with some borders, and cats are fighting is the noise you hear. So what I'm thinking is that is, like I said, maybe it's 3 boxes. Maybe it's one box that is this entire thing, then a box with, that's what I'm thinking right now. So we're going to have a box that is the entire thing. We're going to have a box that just has these borders and a box that just has these borders. I may just rotate that box to get it to be there. But that's what I'm currently thinking. So I'm going to need, the way I'm thinking about it right now, I need 3 paragraphs. So first paragraph, I think, is the bigger one. So it's going to have the same light background as the other thing. It's just going to be position. Has to be position fixed because it's going to exist outside of the body. It's not going to be all contained within this thing. It's going to be outside that thing. So it has to be position fixed. Padding is going to be, I don't know what that is, 50, 40. Margin 0 for now. Where did that go? There's margin 100. Okay. Margin 50. Padding's not enough, but that's okay. Okay, now we're starting to get close to the right location. 60 and minus 40. And then padding's going to be 60 and 50. So there's that box. Okay, now we're going to have another box that is smaller than that, but has the white border. It's going to be on top of it. So I'm going to select my sibling paragraph selector. And I'm going to say border width. I don't know what that is, 15 pixels. 15 pixels, 0, 0. Border solid. It's not width, size. At least I think it's size. What am I doing stupid? Border width. Why is that not working? It's white. Let's try this. Let's try just one. No. Okay, let's put it after this. There we go. By using the border, I'm overriding it, and I'm overriding it to nothing. So 15 pixels, 15 pixels, 0, 0. So there's that. Now we're going to say margin is 30, 25. That's not what I meant. I meant padding. I do have to set the margin. I just don't want it set to that. And then margin is going to be, was it 75 minus 40? No, I did that exactly wrong. 60 minus, now is where I need to subtract it out. 5. So that's incorrect, but not by much. So it's going to be positive 5. That's incorrect. 10. Boy, the typing would be helpful. Is my line the wrong width? Yes, it is. It's the wrong width. It's not 10. Maybe it is 10. It's not 10. Let's get it in the right place. All right. 12. 12. Okay. Padding going to be 35. Okay, I'm taking a break evidently. All right, back where we left off, trying to set this thing. What am I doing right now? Okay, margin 10. And now it needs to be a little bit bigger, I think. Yeah, it needs to be a little bit bigger, so padding's going to be 40 and 30. No, margin vectors. Ah! All kinds of bad things happen. Sorry about that. All right. There's that, but now it's too long. Padding's 30. Okay. That is correct. Now, I'm going to do another paragraph sibling selector. And is that just messed up because I did that? Yes. Okay. It's going to be there. That's why it's messed up. Scale -1, margin 100, 5, and minus, I don't know what that is, 40. Okay, so 115, 117, nope, 20, and minus 50. 51, 52, 52. Okay. That looks like a match. It should be a match. There's nothing too persnickety with this one. Okay. Anything I can say? Background I only use twice. Margin I use a total of 4 times, which won't save me anything. Padding I only use twice. Can't really variabilize anything. It's just minifying from here on out. I don't love this solution, but it is what it is. I have no idea how much time I took today because, things happen. So, it's just minify and call it a day. There are a couple things here and there I can save some spaces on, but it's not going to be anything breathtaking. There's one. That one I can't. This I can save one space. Yeah, that looks like about it. All right. That's it for today. See you next time.